You search for how to buy shares of OKYO Pharma Ltd, so here is a quick walkthrough. OKYO Pharma Ltd is a pharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OKYO, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually be asked to verify your account with an ID document and to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OKYO to locate the listing. Make sure you select the entry that shows OKYO on NASDAQ to find the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the correct OK share. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review your order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market opening, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.